How to use compressor effects in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the effects section under the audio editing tools. Then import the audio file you want to edit from your device. Once the audio is loaded, select the compressor effect. You will see various settings like threshold, ratio, attack, release, and gain. Adjust these settings carefully to control the dynamic range of your audio. Increasing the ratio will compress louder parts, while adjusting the threshold determines the level at which compression begins. Use the attack and release controls to fine-tune how quickly the compressor responds. Preview your audio as you make adjustments to ensure it sounds balanced and professional. Once satisfied, tap the OK button to save the changes. You can now further edit, add other effects, or export your audio. Now you know how to use compressor effects in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.